Hello, those who are aspired to learn Python coding. If you want to keep all your Python files on your computer, check out this video to know which software to download. If you are not sure yet, you just want to have a taste of Python coding, today I will show you an online tool to run your Python code. First, let's go to replit.com and you can just log in using your Google account or your GitHub account, even your Facebook account. So I will log in using my GitHub account. Once we log in, we want to click this, My Repos. If you are new to this website, you will need to create your first repo. I already have my repo, which I call Python Fundamental. So I will share the basic knowledge of Python coding under this repo. So let's click the repo. You will have a file called main.py. I have another file. This is what I have prepared for today. Okay, so today I will share with you the 4 basic data types in Python. Let's do the most famous line in Python coding, which is print hello world. When we run this line, click run, we will see the result is hello world because we asked it to print hello world. Now this hello world is a string data type. You can think of a string as anything we put it inside the quotation. We can also print a number. So I'll print number 2, run. I will get hello world and number 2. I can print decimal numbers, 3.14, or I can print true or false. So now let's run. I have 3.14, true or false. So this number 2 is a whole number. In Python, we call this integer data type. 3.14 is a decimal number. In Python, we call it a float data type. True or false, in Python, we call it a Boolean data type. Boolean means true or false. But take note that true or false, the first letter needs to be capital letter, the rest needs to be lowercase. These are the 4 basic data types in Python. What can we do with these 4 data types? For strings, we can check its length. Print, bracket, len, bracket, hello world. It will give me the length of hello world. Let's run this. You can see the length is 11. There are 11 letters and spaces in this string. Okay. Now, if you notice that every time we will run all the lines. We have many output. What if I don't want to repeat doing this, but I still want to keep the code? We can change this to comments. If you are using Windows, press Ctrl and /. If you are using MacBook, press Command and /. You will see that one hashtag is added at the beginning of all the lines you just highlighted. Now, if we run again, we will only get 11 because the previous few lines are already comments. It's not Python code anymore. Okay, so now let's continue. For a string, we can get its length. For numbers, of course, we can do calculation. So I can print 5 plus 2. Run again. I'll get 7. For decimal numbers, we can do rounding. Print, round, 3.14, and we will get number 3. Or we can tell Python how many decimal digits we want. So I can do print round 3.14, comma 1, meaning I want 1 decimal digit. Now if we run the code again, this time we'll get 3.1. Now how about Boolean type? We can print 3 less than 2. Run this, we will get false. Or we can print 3 less than 2 and 5 equal to 5. Let's run again. We still get false because 3 less than 2 is already false. With the and, it's always false. Or we can use or. Print 3 less than 2 or 5 equal to 5. we will get true because 5 equal to 5 is true. When we use the or, the whole thing become true. Or we can use not. Print not 3 less than 2. We will get true as well because 3 less than 2 is false. When we do a not, it will become true. Okay, so these are the 4 basic data types in Python: string, integer, float, and boolean. Are you ready to learn more about Python coding?